Hi, it's Joan. Here's a hand from a recent event. It was a big Australian national in Adelaide, and Peter Gill, one of Australia's top players, gave me this hand. He made a number of observations about the hand, and I'd like you to look at it. So, what happened was that North opened three hearts. They were vulnerable. And the next hand bid for no trumps. Well, that would be for the minors. That would be the unusual no trumps. It wouldn't be asking for aces. And it comes back to here. And Peter was wondering what would be the best bid on this hand. So it's massive, this hand. Partner will have seven hearts, and we've got no diamonds, and we've got the ace of the other suits. So six hearts is a pretty obvious bid, and most of the field bid at least six. So it seems to me a bit like an underbid to bid six because we need so little to make seven. Sure enough, partner had seven lovely hearts and nothing else. But, can we make 13 tricks on this hand? We need to make a plan, and we can count seven heart winners. The ace of spades is 8, the ace of clubs is 9, and we need to make 13, we need 4 more tricks. Well, notice we've got every good heart, every top heart from the 7. So if we plan to trump diamonds in the south hand and cross up to the north hand so we can keep trumping, we will bring home 13 tricks. So let's start. It's a very exciting hand. Don't touch trumps. Let's play the ace of clubs and trump a club. Trump a diamond. Now let's play ace of spades and trump a spade. Notice the king drops, which makes our queen good, but we're still on a mission. So trump a diamond with the jack, and I would trump another club. All our hearts are high, if you notice now. Trump a diamond with the ace, and trump a spade to get back. We've made 10 tricks, 11, 12, 13. Wow, we made 7. There was only one person in the field of many 55, 60 different teams who actually bid to 7. Most people bid 6. But somehow I think this hand is really too good for 6. But when people make bids like this, even if they had bid 4 diamonds against us, it makes it pretty hard to reach Grand Slam. And we couldn't have known that partner had a singleton opposite our black aces, and therefore there were no losers. Anyway, it just goes to show the power of a big fit.